Welcome! My name is Sarah Metcalf, and I will be teaching you how to turn off the Auto Advance feature when making a nonlinear Google Slides presentation. Now, on PowerPoint, there is an easy way to do this, but on Google Slides, there is not a built-in way to do it. So, I will be teaching you the hack that is most commonly used to overcome it. Since you already know how to open a presentation and link slides in a presentation, I will not bore you with that today. Rather, we will start with a ready-made, non-linear presentation that currently has Auto Advance not blocked. The first step to do this is to create a rectangle by going up to the top bar and finding the Shape button. Once you click that, you want to choose Shapes and click the rectangle. When the cursor pops up as a plus symbol, that means that you are ready to draw your rectangle. You need to make the rectangle the same size or bigger than the slide it is on, like so. The next step is to turn this into an invisible button, which can be done by changing the color of both the edge and the center. To do this, we will go up to the top bar and click the Fill Color button and choose Transparent. To change the color of the edge, we will click the Border Color button, which is right next to the Fill Color button, and again choose Transparent. Now that your box is invisible, we need to link it to the page so that when it is clicked, it automatically stays on the current page instead of transitioning to the next one. To do this, we will link how we link anything else in a presentation by clicking the Insert Link button, choosing Slides in this presentation, and linking to the current slide by clicking on its name. It is best to do this by slide name rather than choosing first slide or last slide, so that if you switch slides, it does not mess this up. Now, we will click Apply and the slide will be linked to itself. Now that you have completed that, all that is left is to make sure that the buttons on the page can still link to the other pages when clicked. To do this, first identify all of the buttons that you have added onto that page. Next, move the rectangle to the side some, uncovering the buttons you have just identified. I will show you how to do this using the fish picture, which links to my home page. Start with a left click, scroll over Order, and click Bring to Front. Repeat this for each of the buttons on the page. Once you are done bringing all of the buttons to the front, move your rectangle back to where it covers the page and make sure that you can click each of the buttons that is supposed to link to another page. If you cannot click one, like in the case with this alligator picture, it means that it is blocked by the invisible button and will not be clickable in the presentation mode. Once you have repeated this process for each slide in your presentation, Auto Advance will be turned off in your presentation. Thanks for listening. Good luck!